guys, so the clips that you just saw was me at work. I hope those were somewhat satisfying for you guys. I hope I did a good job making it look nice and neat. So now I am just making a to-do list for the day. I have midterms coming up. By the time you guys see this, I will have just finished them, so hopefully I did okay. So far, this is my to-do list. I have to edit a YouTube video. I need to do some InDesign work for typography. I had to do a discussion board, and then eventually I have to study, and then pack. I put on some makeup. I changed out of my work shirt because I'm not staying in that. I need a tripod. We're gonna use the trash can. True. Let's do some dishes. Alright, so the dishes are all in the dishwasher for the most part, other than some pans that didn't fit. But now I'm gonna organize our cup/bowl cabinet because it doesn't fit stuff. So, here we go. Hi. Hello. How are you?
Well.
Good.
Doing?
Organizing.
I know, but
I'm vlogging myself organizing it. Problem.
you would be afraid that we're gonna like fall out of the freezer.
So when I was at work, we had, oh, we're vlogging, but you don't have to be in it if you don't want to be. But long story short, we had extra K-pops there, so.
How many do you want?
Yeah, can you please take a lot?
I want you to vlog. I'm slowly taking my pants off. I want you to try and vlog while I take my pants off. Is that going the whole time? Oh my god, I can't breathe.
So we
my arms are
I can't do this.
What? Play the fucking music, white boy. What is your break? 3, 2, 1, action! 3, 2, 1, action!
One more action, please.
Rico! 3, 2, 1, back it up like Tonka truck.
This is the worst vlog clip ever.
Don't include any of that, please.
I am including all of this. So since organizing the cabinets, one of her friends came over and I gave him all of the chocolate cake pops. Alright, so we're gonna head to Target to get some food and things I don't need. Why do I have this playing right now? I hate myself.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Yeah.
I really drew that close.
I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on.
We're at Target. I am trying to not get that much of anything because do I need anything? No.
My skin hurts now.
Is the lighting better right here? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, fancy. I currently have this stuff. Clogs allowed. Remember clog shoes?
I don't want like I want one I put on.
You have to look around over this way.
What I need. Or reducing natural extract.
Puff Eye Attack Turbo Boost. This looks like fun. Which aisle did you go to? I was just there. Okay, I'm coming by the chicken. Do you know how you'll take Instagrams by the cereal aisle?
I hate that you stop doing that. That's so basic.
Alright, for the longest time, I keep seeing these pancake mixes here, and they're so expensive, but they're on sale for $1.40 today. So I'm gonna try the chocolate chip mix because there's only 15 grams of carbs in them, which means I can eat a lot of pancakes. And they're also gluten-free as well.
Say gluten again.
Gluten. Gluten. Gluten.
It's gluten.
Gluten. Gluten. Gluten.
Gluten.
Gluten.
Gluten.
Gluten. So I think I bought too much at Target. I'm about to clean up on aisle 4.
Learn how to get I think that is very convenient. Thank you.
A successful Target trip. I know before dinner I'm gonna do some laundry because I have ignored it for about 2 weeks. So there's a lot of stuff in that closet. So let's time lapse starting now. So for dinner, I'm gonna make some steak tacos. Also, the sunset looks so pretty. It's too bright to tell. It doesn't look like it's sunset, but the clouds look so pretty. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna do steak, lettuce, cheese, onion. Oh, I should have bought sour cream. Let's get cooking. My eyes are crying.
Roll up, I believe, is my point.
Bunch of kids just came in, got blown away. Fresh the hell out. Local trains except deep cuts on his left arm.
We got the steak going. We got the lettuce, the onions. The steak's almost done. And then somewhere we have the tacos. We're gonna warm them up.
They don't ruin their face. Go.
I'll meet you.
Yum. Alright guys, I just finished cooking my dinner. It looks amazing, so I'm gonna eat this and yeah. So I finished up putting my laundry away and now we're gonna go see the movie Hustlers. So I'm gonna end the vlog here in my bathroom. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Bye.